You can expect a lot from the 2020 Ram 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and remote keyless entry. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.